Hey guys, welcome. Today we are checking out the Weikav Lucky65 V2, a keyboard that I still think worth talking about. Now I'll be honest, I'm late to this review. The board launched months ago in China and I picked up mine right when it dropped. I paid about 60 bucks for the bare bones kit, straight from my own pocket though, not sponsored. So let's dive in. Upon unboxing, the first thing you'll find are a dust cover and a manual, which is written in both Chinese and English. And as for the accessories, you get a keycap and a switch puller combo, along with a standard USB Type-C cable. Furthermore, there are multiple color options to choose from: black, white, silver, purple, red, green, and beige. You can also customize the weight color. I went with gold, though there are two other options, black and silver. I went with the black case since it's my favorite and the most reliable. Easy to go color for my taste. And here is the side profile of the keyboard, which is pretty common for the budget boards these days. There is also a 2.4 GHz dongle holder at the bottom, and honestly, Weikav did a great job with this design. Furthermore, the anodization looks absolutely stunning. The Lucky65 also comes with a hot swappable 1.2mm PCB. Personally, I would have preferred 1.6mm PCB, but that version is only available in Vietnam market. The board features a ball catch mechanism that makes it really easy to open the board. I personally prefer this feature, and it's cool to see more and more brands are starting to adopt it. I'm not going to deassemble the board in this video since I had my semester finals, so pardon me for that. It also comes with a bunch of foams that really help shape the sound profile of the keyboard, giving it that nice talky feel. It also comes with pre-installed two switches. I think it's coconut latte switches by Weikav. It's really good, so I decided to keep it. I went with the OG Akko Cream Yellow V3 switches for this build. The switches are really smooth and provide a beautiful creamy sound profile. I'll also attach a picture of the switch box here for reference. And I went with GMK Mictlan clone. These are Doubleshot ABS keycaps by Aifei. I grabbed them for just $30 on AliExpress. The only downside I found is this set doesn't include a 7U bottom row layout option. The quality of these keycaps is honestly amazing for the price. The blacks are true blacks, and overall I think they are an incredible value at just for 30 bucks. And here is the final look of the board. I think it turned out absolutely stunning. And here's a quick look at the thickness of the keycaps as well. I don't have any information about the thickness, honestly. And now it's time for the sound test. Oh yes, the board sounds amazing. For the price, it's definitely a steal for beginners. Overall, solid build, great typing feel, and super satisfying sound. And I totally recommend it. That's it for today's review, guys. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you in the next one.